The world is moving fast, and traditional BI is broken. If your data can't keep up, your business will fall behind. Teams are stretched thin, data's all over the place. Duplicates pile up, records are missing, and dashboards ignored. Let's face it, your data's a mess. Custom builds take months, but decisions can't wait. And somehow you're expected to make confident decisions. It's time to do data different with Marquis IQ. No code, no complexity, just clean, connected insights built for everyone, live on day one. 12 ERPs, 3 CRMs, a maze of spreadsheets? No problem. Marquis IQ pulls it all together in one intuitive platform anyone can use. Dirty data? We fix that. Duplicates, inconsistent names. We auto-group, dedupe, and organize everything fast. Each match gets a confidence score. What's clean? What needs review? You'll know instantly. No more guesswork, just clarity. Supercharge your own data with powerful AI enrichment. Automatically hook into external data like company size, industry, and location for a fuller, smarter view of your customers and suppliers. Add your own insights. Segment, tier, and classify your data with custom tags unique to your business. Because no one knows your operation better than you. And with Marquis IQ, customer segmentation is a snap. Let's look inside. What's happening with budgets, purchase orders, supplier reports? Always connected, always current. Need to consolidate vendor spend? Done. Want to see all customer activity, orders, returns, and complaints in one place? Easy. Build and automate alerts, workflows, and dashboards right inside the platform. And with AI-assisted organization, your data just keeps getting smarter. Marquis IQ puts it all at your fingertips. Forget those clunky old charts and half-baked exports. Those aren't action, they're a stall. With Marquis IQ go-gets, insight becomes action. See an issue? Assign a task. Flag a trend? Start a workflow. Now your data won't just tell you what's wrong, it'll help you fix it. Marquis IQ is a modern data platform built for data-driven leaders. Not everyone is a data analyst, but everyone needs data. And with Marquis IQ, we make your data easy to access, clean, and use. Trusted by top CEOs and CIOs around the globe. Built for speed, designed for action. Deployed in days, not months. Backed by our team of experts, here when you need them and invisible when you don't. If you want to lead, your data can't lag, and reporting tools alone aren't enough. Marquis IQ. Finally, a data platform that gets it.